If you've ever owned an electric scooter, commonly known as an e-scooter, you've probably experienced the numerous possibilities it opens for thrill seekers, commuters, tech fiends, and people without a car. In this guide, you learn the basics of e-scooter repair and maintenance to keep your e-scooter running reliably whenever you take it out for a spin. How to check and repair your e-scooter. Cleaning the scooter. As you're already aware, electricity and water don't mix. As a result, you can't clean your scooter like you'd with a car. Instead, you should use a damp rag soaked with water to meticulously wipe off the dirt and dust from your e-scooter. Lubricate the moving parts. You can use any lubricant to lubricate the headset bearings and wheels and avoid getting it on the brake components. Maintain the tires. Whether using solid or pneumatic tires, it's important to regularly check for wear and tear and make replacements when the treads recede. Checking the brakes, cables, and fasteners. The most important thing when riding any vehicle is functional brakes. Always strive to invest in new brake pads when necessary to protect yourselves and others on the road. Caring for the battery. Batteries are normally the most costly parts of an e-scooter. As a result, ensure preventative care and maintenance to prevent future costly replacement. Essential tools for e-scooter repair and maintenance. Basic tools. You can use these tools with your simple DIY e-scooter repairs and maintenance in the garage. Screwdriver. Wrench set. Socket set. Allen key. Pliers. Grease gun. Electric drill. Specialty tools. Specialty tools, unlike basic tools, are tools that require some level of technical knowledge to use. Torque wrench. Electronic multimeter. Battery tester. Chain breaker. Valve core remover. Cable cutters. Bearing puller. Why you should repair and maintain your e-scooter regularly. You prevent future accidents. Regularly maintaining your e-scooter, you automatically eliminate potential risk hazards such as accidents. For instance, getting a technical problem at high speed can cause serious injuries and even death. Prolong the life of the scooter. Identifying problems early can help you handle them with minimal or no costs. Consequently, if you ignore these small problems, this will eventually turn into major damages, which will be costly or make your scooter unusable. Experience continual top performance. Faulty batteries, dry suspensions, or overused tires can affect the scooter's performance. Investing in a high-end scooter, such as the Glare Wheel EB-C1 Pro folding electric scooter, means you want it to perform optimally. Hence, regular e-scooter repair and maintenance is key for scooters. Prevention is better than repair. The whole point of frequent maintenance is to prevent severe problems. Unlike regular maintenance that anyone can do, scooter repairs need advanced technical skills, which means you'll have to take it to an authorized dealer shop. Before using your scooter, you should always check the tires, the brakes, and the battery level. Consider cleaning your electric scooter weekly or after a particularly dirty ride. As previously stated, avoid getting water on the scooter and use a moist rag instead. As you've learned from this video, e-scooter repair and maintenance doesn't have to be a huge task. Regular maintenance is crucial to prolong the scooter's life, prevent future costly repairs, and keep your e-scooter in top performance. If you'd like to learn more helpful tips on e-scooter repair, please contact us, we'll gladly help. Browse Electric Bike Paradise's extensive collection. Thanks for watching.